Good morning, kids! Are you ready to study with me? Great! Now, let us study about letter N. Everybody, repeat after me. Say letter N. N. Very good! Before we start, let us know first the sound of the letter N. Okay, are you ready? Let's go!
Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise.
One more time.
Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise.
Okay, now let us review the sound of the letter N. Everybody, can you say N? The sound of the letter N is N, N, and N, N, and N, N. Again, one more time. And N, N. Very good. And one more time. And okay. And nose. Nose. Can you follow? And nose. Nose. Very good. Nose. Good job. We use our nose to smell flowers. So look at the picture. That is the use of our nose. And nest. Nest. Everybody say nest. Nest. Very good. Nest is where the birds lay their eggs. So the nest is where the birds lay their eggs. And we have nine. 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 Very good. 9 is a number that comes before 10. 9 is a number that comes before 10. As you can see, we have 9 lollipops. Can you count? Okay, everybody, count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. This is number 9. Okay. Let us continue. So these are the things that is from letter N. Everybody repeat after me. Nose. Very good. Nest. 9. Nose. Nest. 9. Letter N. Very good. Can you do it one more time? Nose, nest, 9. Letter N. Good job. Now match the pictures with its words. Let us go. 9 nest, nose. Okay, kids, can you point your finger to the words and pictures or pictures to words? Okay, first we have nest. N, nest. N, nest. Can you point which one is nest? N, nest. 9. Nest, nose. Very good. Nest. Okay, next. Let us see. Nose. Nose. Okay, let us see where is the word nose. 9. Nest, nose. Can you point? Very good, nose. The last one. 9. 9. Where is the word 9? 9. Nest, nose. Very good, 9. Okay, one more time. Let us read. Nest, nest, nose, nose. 9, 9. These are the words from letter N. Good job, kids. See you again next time. Goodbye.